What's up, YouTube? Fixing my socks. Alright, I'm pretty excited. I've never had an OLFA mat. I just got an OLFA knife too. Check out the video that I just did on that. You can find it on my channel. I'll link everything down below. But OLFA is sort of a old name in cutting knives, rotary cutters, cutting mats, safety equipment, tools. They're a Japanese company and they've been around for a long time, since the 50s, I think. If you're not familiar with OLFA, you've probably seen their mats. They're a very distinct green and yellow. Usually you see the big ones. I just picked up this 6" by 8" one, and it's very cute. It's very, very cute. I think this is the smallest one they offer, and I didn't realize they made one this small, but I cut pretty small things sometimes, and so I have these 6" steel rules. I'll put these down below too. And then paired with the OLFA knife, I figured that this would be the perfect little micro setup. So it's self-healing, it's for rotary cutting, razor knives, you know, any sort of desktop work, making models. Let me pop this open. 6 by 8, that's perfect. I've got my little steel rule, my OLFA knife, stainless. I'm ready to go. I thought that was just the perfect little combo there. So you do get inch measurements, obviously. You get angles, you get some angles, and the back is blank, which could be useful too. You have a grid, obviously, too. They make mats all the way up to, 60 inches, something like that. So really good for sewing, cutting, fabric, bookbinding. I'll put everything down below. Super cool. Thanks for watching. Thanks. See ya.